this location. She was shooting. She was shooting for.
Dislocate. Sorry.
Yeah, she was shooting for. She was shooting.
If Warri get waka pass you, fit get dislocation. Now some men they wear POP.
You know where God.
Now Warri get waka pass you. Now the man they wear POP for neck.
I never see person wey God take time arrange his teeth like this girl. She be like, we arrange her, and I go, hey, bring that girl back. I want me to smile for no reason. Now I go arrange the decision, arrange the decision. If you shop me, me go the that space, so we are tight.
Please, and again, forget. Give her mic, give her mic. And also, let me invite the man who put this event together. Please.
I don't put event together.
You deny your work.
You pay for this one.
Come outside.
Come outside.
You come before you come.
Leave
Our
her
children senior your children.
Leave her you go dey do like say because we dey respect am. You no get respect for us.
Because you don't born.
Choose to see me. You say what happen for your mind. Me wey be say from my waist go down for pass you.
Abama
Don't provoke you.
Area, what did they play? About greet all of us especially. Well, I don't mind you, my miracle like call about a week like to the way they fried 2 times. So. Thank God say this year they not too hype on. I make I don't go big spoil. Not the city where January we finish.
Yeah, they hurry.
Yeah, they hurry. Chief Lawrence, I don't know if you saw the alert. I sent you some money. 1,650. You see, you know, say my belly is 700. They're not the on tap for where River do.
On your belly, say you're joking. February 27th. I don't know how you want to have if you want to borrow for your wife, borrow. I don't know if you can say 100K. Looking at her, looking at me, that me they stranded.
No, if I don't want to, you don't support the less.
You don't be like who's stranded, my sister.
Because my legs, because my waist and leather waist.
You came prepared, though.
Just give her 50,000. 50,000 advice now, talk. 50,000 advice.
Well, I don't think the man never do before. For the birthday. No. My brother, come cut cake. My sister.
But the only prayer I will pray for you for this your birthday now, you will never suffer waist pain. Because all this small work you did do.
Which one?
I'm married for 10 years now.
How many years you don't marry?
8.
Truth.
When you see Keshuku, you know the see Keshuku waist.
Now you do that thing.
Now,
Worry, don't crack worldly joke.
Chooks. Somebody pray. Woman like this pray prayer say man no go suffer waist pain. They ask what she dey do.
I don't know the
If you see, as you
the
see,
first day when I climb in cake, you know say marry.
Your husband.
If you need a prayer every day, again when you go rich, you need to pray that prayer.
how many chooks? Now because of the size of the wife.
He go ahead, I don't be a new ruler before I marry.
No, man, they confuse me for
I
this.
never see my job at Bishop. I be a new ruler, but now I be like 2 motor expenses.
Because you pray the prayer, chief say amen.
You know! Not be even about the size. Once you don't marry past 5 years, every time you wake up, a man should pray. Kevin know they reach there. The movement. Hey, don't pick it up to take alcohol as a marriage.
Just to hide.
I don't know.
Family thing.
Those are confidential things.
You don't talk about family before.
Those are confidential things.
Those are confidential things. Hello.
I think we should just cut the cake.
We'll call you for meeting.
Don't worry, chooks when they shout, so don't worry. By the time that begin stand and go from Agbo, he go know.
No, I'm pure. My wife, they pray the prayer. Okay. See, single man, my friend.
But you're shitting me. But you're shitting me, coach.
What do you do? I wanted to say something, but I heard that. Eat, you win that. Eat what's left for elders. Hey, guarantee church, go, sir.
That cake, I mean.
Normally now, in some ways, we dance now.
You pick the anything with the number.
Not even better cheating.
Like blind man.
The way of faith.
With your shoe you buy for hold up.
Hey, we don't go back. Go. Show up, please.
Worry pikin
you can't get out. So stand, come and me. How you help? Where the help is that for right now? Oh God. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Which of the this is like communion. Why small? DJ, wait.
My sister, be yourself, be yourself. DJ, start again. Change lights. Hey, be yourself. Do that way. Hey, mommy, what are that for? Hey! Put your hand on my shoulder. She like a king. DJ, hold on. Now, this is my question. She Florence, who is that? Is it your relationship?
Who is she?
Is he a friend to your friend? That is a friend, sister's friend.
Hey! Jesus, okay, I cover Ikeshuku with the blood. Are you based in Abuja?
Are you around here? You came in.
You wanted in fear. I see you were trying to stand like Jesus.
Listen to me. We have not recognized some set of people here.
No,
for the first time, daughters of iniquities will recognize them.
Where they come from? Whose branch? Port Harcourt. You came from Port Harcourt. By flight, is it by air or by land? By air. Jukes. If he says it's by air, don't ask on the craft. Okay. Which craft is one of them? It doesn't matter. Okay. I like your red lights. What do you do for a living? Good job, baby. Fashion designer. No, you don't understand. She came from Port Harcourt and she boarded her flight from Benin. Okay. So you need to respect her. I know, Koski. Do you know what red light? Red. For those who went there Benin, she responded. You see that in the Sabbath or you be Ayelana. Wow. Nice to meet you. My name is Chooks. Where Mr. Paul? Come on. Mr. Paul, hey. Mr. Paul. They do my name is Chooks. Now they pray for ways just now. You don't say Mr. Paul, hey, come on to the side. Man, don't go there. Why Chief call the press? Why Chief they call me back? Why they call me back? They yell. No, why him they call me back? Chief, know why they call you back? They yell. That person when they dance on a married woman, no. Because they yell with your hand.
Okay, she not married.
Your husband slapped you, right? Oh, sister. May your height not reduce, so may not be saying that you don't go slap that your pikin no call. Hey. It's okay, that's a family matter. It's okay. How this man pass your this one off. No, they should off that particular man. Is it off now?
Wait.
I should leave the game for you. See GT Bank, they talk to Heritage Bank.
What about that? I'm gonna sing happy birthday song. Because I know we do normally for where we come from. Before we call this game. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, oh, yeah. I said, worry. DJ, I said off that mic. Why are you making off guitar or key? No. Wait.
Why you?
If na sing pass you.
Now cake won't cut me. Now cake won't cut.
My singing pass you for bed, oh.
Hey. Sorry, what's your name again?
Uncle Shay, please drop the mic. Let's clear the thing.
Can you off? Shay, I go some person will enjoy you now. Okay. I don't collect the mic, you don't talk again. But you are fair, you pass. You are a problem.
No, but Shay, what?
That's what the cake. And there's a very. We have two big artists that are waiting. And our manager is not the best.
That's true. We have artists that are waiting.
Which of the cake? The communion? Who will be like communion or this one?
Most red lights. Let them cut the cake.
Okay, only cut last. Sorry.
My brother, calm down.
Never cut now. Hurry.
Okay, so we're going to quickly. I'll go to. Okay, sorry. We're not going to Okay, so what do we spell?
At this age, you're not supposed to cut the other one, though.
No, we'll cut her. We spell what? Perfection.
Perfection longo.
Longo. No,
Wait, pause, spell
no,
out.
let me say it now. Wait, let me say it now. I think I know this spell out. Let me say it now. I know very much the problem. Don't worry. It's P-R-R-E. Calm down, you understand.
Event planner.
One, I don't do.
This is where life start.
Don't worry, me. I don't let POP work. I don't let POP just comedy. Don't worry.
As you put for that work, you say
Don't say good. I say POP work. I don't let no join.
how you want to climb?
Why no climb?
You know,
I think climbing can shoot. I don't fit climb this thing.
You can.
Okay.
you know,
To me,